G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, it's the start of winter here down under, so I thought I'd do a nice traditional hot dessert, traditional English pudding. It's called Spotted Dick. Not too sure how I got its name. I can understand the spots with the fruit in it, but the other parts, well, only the English can tell us that one. But it's a nice, easy, simple hot dessert. Just going to mix the dry ingredients together, some water in a steam bath, and that's it. It's done. And then making a sauce anglaise, which is an English sauce for the custard. It's just custard and it's thickened with egg yolks. So here we go, the step-by-step process of making a spotted dick and sauce anglaise. Here we go, everyone. G'day everyone, welcome back. Like I said, it's very simple, easy dessert to make. Just the self-raising flour, sugar, the suet, which the English use a lot in their puddings, meat puddings or pies as well, plus any fruit puddings as well for the hot desserts, and a bit of lemon zest. So it's a nice, simple, easy hot pudding. The custard's an easy one to make, you know, just thickening it with eggs instead of flour. So yes, not bad for the old English. I had to give them 9 out of 10 for that pudding. So here we go here with the taste test here. Let's say there's plenty of fruit in it. It's lovely and moist. And just the hint of the lemon zest going through it. Yeah, it'd be great on a cold winter's night, this one. So everyone give it a go. Like I said, it's real easy, simple pudding to make. Hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment below, and we'll see you for the next video. Cheers everyone from Mudabung Aussies.